Dealerships are aggressively slashing prices on certain models in response to shifting market trends and evolving consumer preferences, creating a favorable buying environment for those in pursuit of deals. The Ford EcoSport has faced challenges due to lackluster performance and outdated features, resulting in disappointing sales and significant dealer discounts. Its discontinuation in North America raises concerns among prospective buyers. Although marketed as an adventure-ready vehicle, the Ford Bronco Sport lacks genuine off-road capabilities, frustrating buyers who anticipated more rugged performance. Additionally, its pricing competes unfavorably with superior off-road alternatives. The Toyota CHR aimed to captivate younger buyers, but its cramped interiors and limited cargo space have hampered its appeal. These limitations hinder its competitiveness within the market. The rising cost of the Toyota Tacoma has diminished its allure, with fully loaded models surpassing $70,000. This price point prompts buyers to reassess its value against competitor options. Despite its reputation for reliability, the escalating price of the Toyota Tundra has made it challenging for dealerships to sell, steering buyers toward alternative options. The price inflation of the Toyota Tundra has rendered it more expensive than rival trucks, pushing buyers to explore alternatives such as the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado. This shift significantly impacts Tundra sales. The Toyota Sienna struggles as consumers lean toward SUVs, which offer enhanced versatility and style. Despite its strong fuel efficiency, many buyers favor aesthetics over practicality.
The discontinuation of the Toyota Avalon underscores the changing consumer preferences favoring SUVs.
Buyers are increasingly choosing crossovers that provide similar comfort while offering additional cargo space. Lexus models are gaining popularity among buyers willing to invest more, reflecting a notable shift towards luxury within the sedan market. This trend negatively affects the Avalon. The Ford Escape is witnessing a substantial sales decline as competition intensifies in technology and design. Buyers expect modern features, which the Escape has struggled to provide. Rising truck prices, particularly for models like the Ford F-150, have rendered them unaffordable for many consumers. Economic factors and fluctuating interest rates further complicate financing options. Many potential buyers are postponing their purchases, as they owe more on loans than their vehicles are worth. This trend leads to a reduced demand for new inventory, particularly evident in the truck segment. Ford's Mustang Mach-E struggles to hold its ground against Tesla's Model Y due to higher pricing, technical issues, and an underdeveloped charging network. These aspects significantly hinder its market appeal. The Toyota Highlander confronts significant inventory challenges, as rising costs and market saturation lessen its appeal compared to competitors. Alternatives like the Honda Pilot and Hyundai Palisade provide better value. Although Toyota's reputation for reliability remains strong, buyers must carefully evaluate the RAV4 against competitors to determine overall value. Understanding market dynamics is essential for making informed purchasing decisions. The used market for RAV4S is flourishing, with prices often matching or exceeding those of new models. This peculiar pricing trend is frustrating for buyers seeking options within their budget. Competition in the compact SUV segment is intensifying, with models such as the Honda CR-V and Mazda CX-5 presenting compelling features. As a result, buyers now enjoy better choices, which impacts Toyota's market share.